Go. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Who's this?
Teacher.
Teacher. Give me a high five. Okay, high five. Don't throw in your clothes. Tell me, what is your name?
Where is moon?
Moon. How old are you, Moon?
2 and old.
Very good. Where are you from, though? From?
Vietnam.
Very good. How are you today?
Happy.
Happy. Teacher is?
Teacher is
Yes.
happy.
Teacher is happy. Are you ready? Yes.
Dear I am.
Very good. What sound is this? My love, what sound is this, Moon? What sound is that? Oh,
Sun.
Sun. Okay. Hello,
Hey, sun.
sun. Okay. What color is the sun? Yeah?
Yellow.
Very good, Moon. What about that one? What's that? Sun.
Jeanette.
Very good. How is this one, though? What's that?
Pirate.
Spider. Can we sing the spider song? Itsy bitsy spider
Spider.
went up the water, spread down, came the rain, and wash the spider. Bye bye, spider.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Okay, next. What about that one? What's that?
Ding.
Sting. Say stick.
Stick.
Good job. How about this one? Moon, what's this? It's crawling. It's crawling. What's that? It's crawling onto your arms. What's that? Ah. Say ants on my arms. Okay. Ant. Okay. Bye bye,
Ant.
ant.
Bye-bye,
Good job. Next. Ooh, what's that?
Jam.
Jam. Okay. Is jam yummy or bleh? Yummy?
No.
No? It's not yummy?
No.
Oh no, you don't like the jump. It's alright. What about this one? What's that? Arm. Very good. How many arms do you have? 1 and 2. Two arms.
Two.
Very good, Moon. What about this one? What's that? What's that one? What do you call that?
Arrow.
Arrow. Good job. Okay. And that one is?
Apple.
Apple. What color is apple?
Orange.
Very good. Okay, say bye bye, apple.
Bye-bye, apple.
See you.
See you.